Yes, so welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, viewers and subscribers, we have a portion of video for show no plus information, viewers and subscribers. So here we could kick off the video like this. So people, Rushane Patterson, the man accused of killing popular social media influencer Slickiana, could likely must be a potential serial killer after he sent out a very shocking voice note to the police. Even though he was not convicted, he has been arrested and charged. And people, it gets even more interested as Rushane Patterson himself sent out a message to the police. So people, the message stated, and I quote, "Tell police stop searching for me." And people, yeah, that is grammatically incorrect. What him basically mean is tell the police to stop search for me. And then him type and say, "Stop using my pictures. I am going live on TikTok to adjust it there." No, people, that was posted on his Instagram page. Now, people, me I go ask you a question. If you are being listed as a person of interest by the police for a very serious crime that gone viral on social media, and you know say you is innocent, wouldn't you turn yourself into the police? Because if you don't have nothing to hide, why not turn yourself into the police? Why be a fugitive? Because right now, you are turning yourself in a fugitive based on your action. You do something illegal, you get yourself into more trouble. Now people, honestly, if I'm being labeled as a person of interest in a crime, and me know say I know me worse, I know me do the crime even before the police them reach at the station, me reach at the door before them, viewers and subscribers. But share your thoughts with me down into the comment section, people, because by not turning yourself into the police, you definitely look guilty. And people, the amount of crime this man name call upon, only judge and knows. This man could actually be a serial killer. Not saying that he is a serial killer, people. I did not say that. But the history of crime them and the things them where this man name call upon, abduction and RAPE. Jano, only judge and knows, viewers and subscribers. People, talk to me down into the comment section, and a message to all of the females them. Whenever you meet a man, and don't just run guard the man place. Make the man forward at your place. Or when you meet up at one public spot and then you chat and then you go do whatever. Make your family know. Make your friend know. Make anybody where close to you know where you go. Try check out in background and then you decide. You can't just go meet strangers like that because because right now it's a very serious time, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And you know what go on with the woman them all over the world, not just in Jamaica. You know so the man them a rape off the woman them and the man them a take away the woman them and a kill them. Man a kill woman over relationship matters to just the same. You understand what I mean? So you know if you just know what you do and wise up on yourself and be careful, cause you don't know life set already and it take nothing to lose your 3 points. You understand what I mean? Cause them money right now, them money heartless, viewers and subscribers. So a message to the ladies them again, just be careful out there and protect 3 points at all costs. Don't just take nothing lightly, so. Again, be careful, be careful.
Alright, here me I say now, we don't know 6 bars 30. My thing enough to come on live and try explain, not care what me hear and the bag of drama then all the time. I always ignore it, you see me? But you see now, they serious. Which, well, I'm loved ones, them, my fans, them, concerned about 6 bars. You understand? Everybody a check for me and worried. Me say me get shot, me say me dead. Me and all type of thing. See them well and live, my fans. You see me? I want to know, say, me there I'm active. Fully active. That's what I say. So bloggers, please and thanks. You don't stop the fuckery. We don't stop the whole of that bumbuck like that. You see me? I want to make things bad. Forget to you like we. You see me? Yeah. As you know here we say, group strap, 6 bars get shot, whatever. When I run gun black boat, too much bumbuck like song my drop, brother. We don't know black boat them, you know. See me drop big bad umbrella there, big bad foot, too much hit song for the ears. For the whole of this area. And no black about them. As in here, 6 bars get shot. Or 6 bars dead. When I run the cup black. Brother, I'm not using my brother. So I lost some name bad man. So all of my fans and all of my supporters them, big up on yourself, you see me? I don't know how to love already. 6 bars there well and active. You see me I say? When I don't know the thing already. Yeah. Heart of love. Don't know the thing going. Look out for some new music forward out. Fully active, 6 forever. You understand? That's what I say. My fans, well, I'm alright. We're good. That's what I say? Yeah. Don't just leave me alone, brother. Make man live, brother. Allow man, make man survive, brother. And stop mix up man and on violence and crime business, brother. Music man I do over here, so brother. Strictly music man I do over here, so bad man. No law for man, dog. You hear that? Easy for rich, brother, me not trust mankind.
No people, that was popular dancehall artist Squash speaking about the shooting incident. Yeah, and I tell everybody say he is okay and him never get shot. He is fine and alright. Him also a blaze of fire upon the vlogger them. So people, basically Squash say a be a negativity the vlogger them put out about him. Yeah, and look how much it song drop and them now vlog about it. But Squash, you must remember say your name always a call upon them thing, you know. So where you put out, the people them a go put out. Because if you don't give the vloggers them nothing to put out, them now put out nothing. If you're involved in a badness, that them a go put out. Now people, you know what? Jano, me just a go keep my mouth shut. But the main thing is that the artist is okay and doing fine.
Alright, no, she's a social media influencer, but me never know everything. Be all it my fucking woman, she bring it back. Yo, every fucking thing. Me can't deal with them bumbucklad, so me a be.
People, me go leave you with this one from Dewey. Basically, you have a leak voice note a circulate the internet with Dewey a cry out and I say him no know where him go put himself in a one make him go married Queenie. Him tired of the excitement, him tired of the drama, everything she take it put on social media. Basically, him go married a mad woman. Yeah, and the people them a talk. The people them a say, you know where did I get yourself in just because you want to go England make you go marry the woman. You know exactly where did I put yourself in Yeah, now the pressure forward upon him and him can't manage it. Well people, the people them say so down into the comment section and never me. But people, instead of me I tell you about it, everything will go on, listen to the voice note for yourself.
Nah, I don't talk. I'm glad I did love it because I said to you, I never know her. No, she's a social media influencer, but me never know everything. Be all it my fucking woman, she bring it back. Yo, every fucking thing. Me can't deal with them bumbucklad, so me a be. And then she bring me night. It's like me have to work under fear governance. Me see me write music, you understand? And she tell me say me not to write them type of music there. So basically, some blood come. Now I reckon that them bumbucklad policy there straight to blood clot. My mother could program me up with some bumbucklad girl. Where I take fucking of them all blood clot long. Me can't even get a youth from her right now. I want a youth come. Me can't even see me next bumbucklad youth see a blood clot shit. Colleen, me nah, I don't I'm sorry for that, you see me, in a real life, because I say me never know she da do it, and when me see she do it, me tell her to take it down, because that's not necessary, you see me, in a real life. But you know, life is a thing, you see me, life and fear, no joke, you see me. But them say we not cause life, you know, you see me, not cause danger, so, you know, we just have to live and learn, don't it? Everything look good at the beginning, everything look good at the beginning. It's from a married being. It's like, you know, say, we could have take it back, take back. All I be, I swear to God, leave me. Not even mother deal me like how she would deal me because of that woman. Nah, no friend, nah, nobody. And then again, nah, nobody in my corner. And then again, this woman get up on a bird me down, yo. She didn't even know BS. God, I don't know why I do it. I don't know why. But I'm say as a man, I have to do the thing like a man, you see me. And I can't tell them I'm sorry for it. What I did do, you see me, never right. You understand him and when I go forgive him. But, you know, I just take the time out to tell it. When I be a man, you know, she good enough. Just hold my lane and she hold fair when you see me. I'm not doing no argument with her because she love media. And he's not aboard with media. You see me, all them things that she had to tell me about wind up my waistline pantall up. So now what the fuck, babe? You never come see me and wind up my waistline. Blood clot come there and make people bumbo clot. I talk a bag of things you put up one video with me in the bed and be a bumbo clot. I should feel like me forgive her for that. I can't forgive you for that. Because if I did something to make me dead, it'd have made me dead before you put up the video. And the video, me say, me I tell you, every day me see me in a blood clot or nothing, every day in my fucking ears. Every day in my ears. Come 2 o'clock in the morning, argument, and I may tell you say at 2 o'clock in the morning. You gotta tell me how me I limitize your time if you go suck out my big pussy mother. I want take all him in a run certain joke, hey that. Here we go and she had dad to me, as she say. You see me say, see true, she had dad, she had play like she had a man. I'm in a run them joke.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me up on Jamaica.